New on the night team, 2 people are hospitalized after an ATV crash in Exeter. Police have not released many details about the crash or the people involved. Good evening, I'm John Perrick. The night team's Erin Coogan is live here in studio with what we do know. Erin.
Yeah, John, we watched as crews towed a pair of damaged ATVs from the woods off Liberty Church Road. It's a rural thoroughfare surrounded only by trees, dense brush, and a handful of houses.
Exeter number 1 fire with rescue. Respond 87 Liberty Church Road. It's going to be an ATV accident with injuries.
An ATV crash in Exeter with multiple victims prompts an urgent emergency response late Saturday evening.
Expedite the Northeast Sound Rescue. 2 critical patients.
Initial calls came just before 5:30. Police radio calls reveal how first responders were able to locate the pair of victims.
Those units coming in, the patients are in the roadway.
Volunteer firefighters and state police out of the nearby Hope Valley Barracks responded.
I have a medic on engine 6 if you would like them to transport with rescue.
Continued radio communications between the 2 agencies reveal the intense rescue efforts.
Exeter rescues en route with a 32-year-old male, severe head injury, unconscious. Patient is very critical.
Investigators remained on scene for nearly 2 hours after the crash. Our cameras captured the response and when crews eventually cleared the scene. As of now, neither victim has been identified and we don't know their current conditions. We have reached out to state police for more details. We're going to have that info online and on air at turnto10.com. Reporting in studio, Erin Coogan, NBC 10 News 19.